No more tangled mess of ropes. Replaces the knotted mess of pull ropes with a sleek, lightweight, retractable pull system. 30 feet long, 60-pound test line. Versatile enough to attach to just about anything. Attach to bow or other hunting gear, then clip the gear hoist to your harness or place in your pocket. As you climb to your tree stand, the line automatically unwinds. At the top, pull the line up to retrieve your gear. Lets you bring anything you need into the stand easily and hassle-free. Line self-winds when finished. Easily retract the line back into hoist and store. Top reviews from the United States. 5 stars. Perfect as advertised. Great product. Replaces an older type. Love the carabiner. Clips onto cam of bow. Hate those little plastic clips. Clip it on your belt. I added another carabiner through the included hole. Now I can hook it to my stand as I climb. Bought 2-1 for a friend. First set got lost in the mail. Was ready for a hunt. Amazon overnighted replacements. Very happy with Amazon.